Need a helping hand or 10? Meet Fiverr Business, your flexible talent platform. Connect with freelancers who have been vetted for quality and experience to get the expertise you need when you need it, without all the hassles of full-time hiring. Just explore the marketplace to find talent, or let them find you based on your brief. Easy. Then get to the real work right here. Whether you need to keep track of it all, line up your favorite freelancers for future work, just a few more, or set up a shared budget to streamline your team spending. Approved. Fiverr Business lets you do it all as a team, so you never lose momentum. But in case you do, count on your business success manager to match you with talent and guide you every step of the way. Thanks. All that's left? Taking every project from backlog to done.
Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm a voiceover artist on Fiverr Business.
Hi, my name is Leanne Rivers.
My name is Frank.
Hi, I'm Tara. I'm an Etsy coach and a graphic designer.
My favorite examples of a brand that I worked with is BMW. Another one was working with Google.
One of the exciting brands we loved working with was Warner Brothers Games for their iPhone game, Game of Thrones Conquest.
A group of young game developers, and they needed to raise $60,000. I did a great fun voiceover for their video, and they smashed it. I think they raised about $100,000.
Adobe, Ray-Ban, Uber Eats.
I have been directing for over 20 years now, and I have worked with brands like Microsoft and Apple.
More important to me is to be able to work with many people all over the world, and I really enjoy it.
We do our due diligence so we can get a deep understanding of your project.
Once that trust is established, then I think it's a much safer way to start your project.
I've helped many sellers. A lot of them are in the top 1%. My first ever coaching client is now actually in the top 2,000 Etsy stores. And considering there is over 4 million Etsy stores, that is something I am so amazingly proud of.
To collaborate, to really understand what a client is looking for. And I think that collaborative aspect is really exciting. And I love that.
I get it done as quickly as possible and keep my clients well informed about delivery times, or if I have any questions that come up during the work.
Where their growth strategy is and what their future growth plans are. I'm able to fill that gap for them so that they can focus on running their business.
More than happy to put in the extra time and effort to make sure you're happy with the results of your project, because at the end of the day, that's really the ultimate goal.
People, when they watch our videos, they feel something. They feel a connection.
I always try to provide the best service, no matter if it's a large company or a private individual.
And a lot of these clients go back years and years and years, which is incredible.